Go. Go. Go.
I don't like how this is line this up. What is wrong with my car?
Oh, I almost hit the freaking
Yeah.
ending thing down there.
And you also won. That was
Okay, now we're going to be testing my other car, one I've had some issues with trying to get it set up. This has got a 3.5 turn motor in it and a Tiken RX-8 2nd gen. And I don't have the rubber tires on this one, so I'm going to have to deal with the steely things until my tires come in. All right, you ready? You mark, you set. I knew this was going to do that. I have slash on for this one. Okay, you ready?
mark, set, go.
Man, that car's just too freaking fast.
Try to go too fast.
I punched it and it just lost it.
Yeah.
Wow. This thing's insane. We need more braking. So, watching the 707 guy. Last night, they were talking about how you should put 90 and then practice changing out your spurs. So I'm running a 19 with a 90 on this right now. You mark the set. Mark.
Set, go. You almost went with that ring. I can't.
So
On the mark, get set, go. I think I won that one.
watch the other camera play. Okay. Mark.
Ready?
Set. Go.
Get set, go.
Did you flip over?
I don't speak.
Yes. Okay. Now we're going to be testing my other car. What I've had some issues with trying to get it set up. It's got a 3.5 turn motor in it. And a Tiken RX-8 2nd gen. And I don't have the rubber tires on this one, so I might be able to see things until my tires come in. Alright, you ready? Mark, set,
Go. Go. I think I won that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna look. When we get done, I'm gonna mark it down there too, so we don't have to keep pacing it off every time. So, taking off fast. Mark, get set, go. I'm gonna change my travel rate on this one. low it down to 90. Okay. Okay, let's see how this works out.
Oh my gosh. Why does this car always do this?
We're at 150, now I'm going to lower it down to 1. I'm going to lower it down to 90.
Should we check the temperature?
So I went down to 90 and it ran controllable. Unreal. We have a commercial here, air conditioner company, that always talk about starting up your air conditioner gently. Anyway, ready, set, go. That was a lot better. You get the wheelie bar on
Oh
there.
god.
Ooh, big save. Go. Huh?
Mark, set, go. Try to go too fast. Yeah, this is one of the go. You almost finished that run.
Probably on the sidewalk down there. Watch how stupid this thing is. This is how insane fast this thing is going.